Hey guys, I'm going to tell you how to screw up your friend's computer. First of all, press start and type in CMD. Now click this, and they have to be administrator or the administrator. Now type in net user just to see. Well, like there's only one person on this computer, so type in net user /add. As you can see, if I press net user again, there's a new user. I just made another account. And what you can do is over and over and over, and your computer would take like an hour to start up if you do it more than enough. Like I took my friend, I put 12 accounts named spam. I'm gonna delete it real quick. I have to remember how. And that's the fast word delete. Thanks for watching.